Swap your morning coffee for this drink, and your body will thank you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful drink called golden milk. This turmeric-based drink is famous for helping to reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and even help you fall asleep faster and sleep better. I will show you the exact step-by-step recipe to make sure you get the maximum health benefits. And best of all, we are not making a bitter medicine here. We're going to make it delicious, so tasty, you'll want to drink it again and again just for the flavor. Also, stay with me until the end of the video. I'm going to share a very important detail on how to properly store your ingredients so they don't lose their healing properties. So, to make golden milk the right way, let's look at our ingredients. The star of the show is turmeric. We need exactly 1 teaspoon. The magic inside turmeric is a compound called curcumin. It fights inflammation in the body. But here is the catch. Our bodies have a hard time absorbing it alone. So our main goal today is to help your body actually use it. For the liquid base, we need about 2 cups of milk. That's roughly 500 milliliters. Personally, I recommend using lactose-free, low-fat milk, which is easier on the stomach. However, feel free to use almond milk or coconut milk if you prefer a plant-based option. Choose what tastes best to you. Today, I'll be using my favorite lactose-free, low-fat milk. Now, please don't skip this next ingredient. It is critical. Black pepper. We need just a 1/4 teaspoon. Why pepper? Because it contains piperine. Studies show that combining black pepper with turmeric increases the absorption of curcumin by 1000%. Without the pepper, the turmeric just passes through your body. With pepper, it gets to work. Next, let's add some freshness with ginger. I use 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger. It's fantastic for digestion and gives the drink a wonderful, warming kick. Then we add cinnamon, about 1/3 of a teaspoon. Cinnamon isn't just for that cozy aroma, it's great for heart health and circulation, which is especially beneficial for men over 60. Now, a crucial step for absorption. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Remember, turmeric is fat-soluble. This means your body needs healthy fats to dissolve it and absorb the benefits. The oil also gives the drink a silky, smooth texture. Next, take 3 cardamom pods. But here's a pro tip. Crush them slightly before adding them to the pot. This opens them up and releases their incredible aroma. If you love spices, do not skip this. And finally, the last ingredient, raw honey. You don't need much, just 1 teaspoon is enough to make our golden milk taste truly amazing. Please use high-quality raw honey if you can. Important note, if you are watching your sugar intake or just don't have a sweet tooth, you can skip this part completely. The drink is naturally rich and tasty even without it. Now, let's cook. Pour the milk into a saucepan and set the heat to medium. This is a gentle process. We're not boiling, we're extracting. Watch closely. When you see the first light steam rising, it's ready. Add the turmeric. Notice how the milk turns a deep, rich gold. Scientists now use the term inflammaging to describe how chronic inflammation accelerates aging. Golden milk targets that process directly. Add the crushed cardamom pods. Then the cinnamon. The aroma alone feels like comfort. Now the grated ginger. This is where warmth spreads through the body, especially helpful for cold hands and feet. Add the coconut oil. Watch it melt and spread. Don't fear this fat. The brain is nearly 60% fat. High-quality fats support memory and cognition. Finally, add the black pepper, just a small amount. This is the key that turns everything on. Lower the heat to the minimum and let it gently simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Heat helps draw out the medicinal compounds from the spices. When the drink looks slightly thicker and velvety, turn off the heat. Now comes the most important safety step. Never add honey to a boiling liquid. Heat destroys honey's beneficial enzymes and compounds. When the pot feels warm but not hot to the touch, add the honey and stir gently. Now strain it through a fine mesh sieve as you pour into your mug, so the ginger and cardamom stay in the strainer. And just like that, your golden milk is ready. Look at that bright, rich, golden yellow color. It's creamy, spiced, and full of flavor. Enjoy. Now, a quick safety note. Please don't skip this. Turmeric is not just a spice. It's a potent herbal compound, and it's not perfect for everyone. Please be careful if you take blood thinners or clotting medication, because turmeric can increase bleeding risk. Be cautious if you have gallstones or gallbladder issues, because it can stimulate the gallbladder and cause pain. If you have a history of kidney stones, remember turmeric is higher in oxalates. And if you have an upcoming surgery, many doctors recommend stopping turmeric 1 to 2 weeks before. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on multiple medications, it's always smart to check with your doctor first. Better safe than sorry. Now let's talk about the best time to drink this. Golden milk is best either in the morning instead of coffee, or in the evening at least 2 hours before bed, not right before you lie down. Drinking it too close to bedtime can add extra fluid at the wrong time and increase the chance of waking up. For nighttime bathroom trips, stick to that 2-hour rule so your body has time to process it before sleep. For fresh turmeric and fresh ginger, the goal is cool, dry, and breathable. Keep unpeeled roots in the fridge crisper drawer, wrapped in a paper towel and placed in a paper bag or a lightly closed zip bag, not airtight. This prevents moisture buildup while keeping them from drying out. For longer storage, freeze them. You can freeze whole roots or peel and freeze in a small container. Grate straight from frozen, no thaw needed. If you store them warm or in a damp sealed bag, they'll sweat, soften, and mold quickly. If you store them too dry or exposed, they'll shrivel, lose aroma, and taste flat, meaning fewer of those signature, spicy, fresh flavors. Now let's turn this into something practical. Here's the 7-day golden milk challenge. For the next 7 nights, replace your usual evening tea, dessert, or late-night snack with 1 cup of golden milk. That's it. One simple habit. During the week, pay attention to 2 things. First, your sleep. Do you fall asleep faster? Wake up less? Feel more rested in the morning? Second, your joints. When you stand up, walk, climb stairs, or open your hands, does it feel easier? Then come back and tell me in the comments. What day did you start noticing a difference, if you noticed one at all? If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe. There are many more practical, science-backed longevity tools coming. Simple things that make a real difference. Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video.